This weekend, we made our way to Thornloe, Ontario. Our good friends Darcy and Mel invited us to bring our trailer and attend their family's 5th annual Stonehaven Ribfest. This event is a great excuse for the family to get together, reminisce, and of course, see who can win over the taste buds of the judges by cooking the most delicious, mouth-watering ribs. Here is our awesome trailer parking spot for this Ribfest weekend. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a rainy morning here for the official first day of Ribfest, but I think it's still going to be a great day anyway. We had arrived the night before, which afforded us a great opportunity to get a tour of the property by our hosts Pierre and Terry, and we got to know some of their family. They shared with us stories of past Ribfests and the friendly rivalries that existed between the various rib cooks.
But then some new guy came in as a new judge to test both and say which one they like prefer. And Johnny came second and Darcy finished third.
This morning started with a big meal of bacon, eggs, and hash browns, meant to give everyone a good base for the day of festivities ahead. It wasn't long after that the cooks started to arrive and take their spots in the cooking shelter. Each had come prepared with their own barbecue or smoker to ensure they could achieve the exact flavor profile they had been planning for. Well, the rain is not going to stop this party. People have started arriving. It's still pouring rain, but we're going to have fun anyway. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention earlier. Everyone who comes to this Ribfest is invited to participate in a crazy hat competition. As you can see, some go much more extreme than others. Dave and I didn't come prepared for this, but Mel managed to find me something from the hat bin. At this point, the cooking of the ribs was well underway, so Mel headed over to check on things while selling 50-50 tickets. In addition to bragging rights, the cook with the best ribs gets half of the 50-50 pot.
50-50! Hey
Johnny, I need $100.
Back in the Longhorn Saloon, it was almost time to start judging the ribs. Anyone who wants to can put their name in a hat with the chance of being selected to be a judge. My name was picked, but I wanted to make sure my hands were free for filming, so Dave happily subbed in for me.
Dave has to do it! Because I'm going to film.
Oh, Dave, well there you go. So Dave will take his place.
Well, the judging is about to begin, and I actually got picked as a judge. They picked names out of a hat, but I wanted to film this thing, so Dave is my replacement. So he is the lucky guy who gets to be one of the 3 judges. Let's see how this goes. How do you feel about being a judge?
I love ribs, so I'm down for it. It's a lot of pressure though.
At Stonehaven, they take their judging seriously. Here's a look at the complex scoring forms that each judge had to complete. Ribs were judged based on taste, tenderness, and overall impression.
So you're the other judge, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
Let's review.
Score sheets, okay guys? So that's how it's gonna work for you guys. The score sheets.
Make sure this
So
time was.
essentially, there's like 3 different categories, right? And it's on a scale of 1 to 50, 1 to 25, and 1 to 25, right? This is your first one.
After the judges had their instructions, the ribs were brought out one at a time, and the judges carefully evaluated each. I have to admit, they smelled so delicious. I couldn't wait for the judging to be over so that the rest of us could taste them as well.
I like the trays too. This is ideal.
After 6 servings of ribs, it was time to collect the score sheets and find out who the winner was.
Hello everyone. Oh my god. We have the results for the rib contest. It was actually very close this year. No big gaps. So should I just say in number 2 was our champion from last year.
Now that a winner had been announced, it was time for everyone to eat. You can tell that the crowd could not wait to try out the ribs for themselves.
Darcy, what do you think of these ribs?
They're delicious.
Yeah? Everybody's got their ribs.
The finger looking good.
And are you the mom of the winner?
I'm the mother-in-law.
Okay.
The night ended in the best way it could, with a round of karaoke. As outsiders, we felt honored to have gotten to join in the festivities. It's definitely a weekend we won't soon forget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.